We recommend everyone to know Black Friday 2020 about Enbrighten 45064 color changing, 80 feet. 9 puck, and now Amazon Black Friday are started. Black Friday 2020 is celebrated on November 27th. On the day of the event, you will find products from all outstanding categories. Black Friday 2020 is an annual event just for well-known that it is shopping time on. And this year we have selected many products for the shoppers from small businesses and top brands. Beat the holiday hustle and shop for everyone on your list during Black Friday 2020. Happy everyone! On Black Friday 2020, you can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. If you want to get highlight features and full review of Enbrighten 45064 color changing, please visit the link in YouTube description below. Highlight features and overview summary. This is a lighting kit and includes the following 2 products. Enbrighten Seasons Landscape Lights and MiTouch Smart Outdoor WiFi Smart Plug. In order to control landscape lights via your mobile device or voice controls, both products must be used together. Give your a colorful makeover with Enbrighten LED color changing landscape lights. These landscape lights will keep your outdoor space looking bright and colorful all year round, and you'll never need to replace a bulb. A wireless remote is included to conveniently change your lighting scheme with the touch of a button. Featuring 9 commercial-grade bronze metal puck light fixtures, Enbrighten landscape lights are perfect for decks, patios, pathways and more. Find a style for every season. Choose from a variety of lighting preferences for your deck or patio. For traditional white light illumination, select from warm white, soft white or daylight. For a vibrant color scheme, your choices range from a single solid color, any 2-color combination, and various preset color modes for holidays and special occasions. The landscape lights are also programmed with several preset effect modes, including dimming, fade and strobe, as well as 2 to 4 hour timer settings. The lights are durable and weatherproof, contained inside a premium, oil-rubbed bronze metal housing. You'll also enjoy of installation options, depending on the needs of your home. The lights are connected to a 22-foot lead wire with 10 of flexible, burial-grade cable between each light. Position the lights staked upward in the ground as spotlights or mount them pointing down from eaves and railings using the keyhole slots on the back. Additionally, the landscape lights are pairable, giving you the ability to control multiple light sets from one remote. Invest in superior outdoor lighting with energy-efficient LED color-changing landscape lights from Enbrighten. And if you do not understand, not sure or have questions, you can leave questions in the comments box. In addition, if you think our channel that's something useful for you, please press to subscribe us and press the bell. Look for all press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.